How to create a Yahoo account. So if you want to create a Yahoo account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and on the search bar search for yahoo.com, and then it will directly take you to the web page. So now to create a Yahoo account, you have to tap on sign in, and then here you will have create an account. Click on that. And to create an account, you have to first enter your full name and last name, and then you have to enter a Yahoo email, a new Yahoo email, and then you have to enter the password, and after that you have to enter your date of birth. And after entering all of this information, you can tap on continue, or you can also create your account with Google or with your mail. And now you have to enter the verification code which Yahoo has sent to this mail. Open up your Gmail account. So copy this code and enter it here, and then click on continue. Now you have welcomed to Yahoo. So you have to create a new password, and after entering the password, click on continue. And that's it guys, you have created an account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.